Hello students, today we are going to find the derivative. So how we find the derivative? Here one of the example given to you, that is cube root 4x upon 2x plus 3 and 5 minus 2x the whole square. Now how will find the derivative of this function? So we start the solution. Let y is equal to 4x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 and here 5 minus 2x the whole square, and this is what cube root. So this is cube root, so we will write whole the power 1 by 3. Now to solve such type of question, we will take log on both sides. So by taking log on both sides, you will get log y is equal to log of 4x minus 1 whole divided by 2x plus 3, and this will be 5 minus 2x raised to 2, and this is raised to 1 by 3. Now we are taking log on both sides. So this is the power 1 by 3. So how will write log y? This is equal to log. Now this will be what, student? This will be 4x minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 and whole divided by, this is again, this will be 2x plus 3 raised to 1 by 3 into 5 minus 2x raised to 2 by 3 and bracket close. Student, here the power is 1 by 3, so this will be what, 4x minus 1 whole bracket raised to 1 by 3, and similarly power for this bracket will be again 1 by 3, and here this is square into 1 by 3, so you will get 5 minus 2x raised to 2 by 3. Now we will use the property of log. So how to use the property of log? Therefore you will get log y is equal to log this, that is log, you will write 4x minus 1 raised to 1 by 3, and this is in the denominator. These two brackets are in the denominator, so you are going to subtract. So this will be minus log 2x plus 1 raised to 1 by 3 minus log 5 minus 2x raised to 2 by 3. So this is the, by using log, you will write, what you will write? Log y is equal to what? Log 4x minus 1 raised to 1 by 3. This is in the denominator, so this bracket becomes minus log 2x plus 3 raised to 1 by 3 and minus log 5 minus 2x raised to 2 by 3. Now you will get log y is equal to, now this will be power 1 upon 3, so you will write 1 by 3 log what, 4x minus 1. Similarly for this, you will get minus, this power will be before the log, so 1 by 3 log 2x plus 1. Similarly for this, you will get what, minus, this power will be before the log, that is 2 by 3 log 5 minus 2x. So this is the what, one formula is there. If log x raised to 4 is there, so you can write like this, 4 log x. This log x raised to 4 is there, so you can write 4 log x. So similarly, this is what, log 4x minus 1 raised to 1 by 3. So you can write 1 by 3 log 4x minus 1. Similarly for this bracket, you can write 1 by 3 log 2x plus 1, and for the last bracket you can write minus 2 by 3 log 5 minus 2x. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of log x? First I will write what is the derivative of log x. So derivative of log x is what? 1 upon x. Derivative of the log x is what? 1 upon x. This is the derivative of log x. And by using this formula, we are going to differentiate the log y. So I will write differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So what will be the derivative of log y? So this will be 1 upon y dy by dx. So derivative of log y is what? 1 upon y dy by dx. And this is equal to 1 upon 3. Derivative of log 4x minus 1 will be what? 1 upon 4x minus 1, and derivative of you will find 4x minus 1. Similarly, this will be minus 1 upon 3, and derivative of log 2x plus 1 will be what? 1 upon 2x plus 1, and derivative of 2x plus 1. Similarly, for last term, you will get minus 2 by 3. This will be 1 upon 5 minus 2x, and derivative of what? 5 minus 2x. You know how you will find the derivative of each term. So we will get 1 upon y dy by dx, and this is equal to what? 1 upon 3. Derivative of this will be what? 4x will be 4. Derivative of 4x minus 1 will be 4. Derivative of 1 becomes 0, and derivative of 4x will be 4. So you will get what? Derivative of this will be 4. So 4 upon 4x minus 1. And then you will put which sign? Minus sign. 1 upon 3. And this will be what? Derivative of 2x plus 1. So this derivative of 1 becomes 0. And derivative of x is 1, derivative of x is 1, so this will 2 ones are 2. So we will get derivative of total bracket is 2, so 2 ones are 2. Here we will write 2 upon 2x plus 1, and minus 2 upon 3. Similarly, this is what? In denominator 5 minus 2x. Derivative of 5 means how we find the derivative of 5 minus 2x. So derivative of 5 is 0. Derivative of constant is always 0. So derivative of constant, that is 5, is 0. Derivative of x is 1. And when you multiply minus 2 by 1, so you will get minus 2. So derivative of this will be what? Minus 2. So you can write derivative of 5 minus 2x is minus 2. And now we will find the final answer. So we will write dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, this is 1 upon y, so this becomes y times, this will be what? 4 upon 3 times 4x minus 1 minus, this will be 2 upon 3 times 2x plus 1 minus, this is the minus, so minus minus becomes plus, so 2 2s are 4 upon 3 times 5 minus 2x. Okay, student. And then finally what you will write? Finally, you write the answer. This is dy by dx. And what is y? Or y is what? This is y. Y is what? 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3. And in the second bracket, 5 minus 2x, the whole square. And total bracket, the 1 upon 3. Now we put the value of y. So y we will write here in the bracket. Y is 4x minus 1 divided by, this is 2x plus 3, 4x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3, and next bracket, that is 5 minus 2x, the whole square, and whole divided by 1 by 3. So this is 1 by 3 is the what? Cube root. 1 by 3 is the cube root, and then we write the whole bracket. This is 4 upon 3 times 4x minus 1 and then minus 2 by 3 2x plus 1 and then plus 4 upon 3 times 5 minus 2x. So this is the answer, student. This is the answer. This is the derivative of what? Cube root 4x minus 1 whole divided by 2x plus 3 and in next bracket 5 minus 2x the whole square. Okay students? So next example of differentiation or how we find the derivative of different examples that we will see in the next video. So okay student, thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.